Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to view Netflix payment history. To view your Netflix payment history, follow these steps. Open up a web browser to get started, and once you do so, go to the URL box at the top and type in netflix.com and search. Soon after you get to the official website for Netflix, log into your account by entering your login credentials and then make sure you open up your profile. After clicking open your profile for Netflix, go ahead and mouse over to your profile avatar at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, click on account. Under the account interface, click on manage membership. Under membership option, scroll down and click on view payment history. Soon after you do that, this will show you a list of your past Netflix charges, including the date, amount, and payment methods used. That is how you easily view your payment history on Netflix. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.